Hey beauty lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a makeup showdown, setting powder versus setting spray. If you've ever wondered which one locks in your makeup better, controls shine, or gives you that flawless, long-lasting finish, you're in the right place. We're breaking down the key differences between these two makeup essentials, how to use them, and which might be the best fit for your skin type. So let's get started. What is setting powder? Setting powder is a makeup essential designed to absorb excess oil and give your skin a matte finish. It comes in two main forms, loose powder and processed powder. Loose powders are finer and are ideal for giving a soft, diffused look, while pressed powders are more convenient for touch-ups on the go. Setting powder is typically applied after foundation and concealer to prevent creasing and to ensure your makeup stays in place throughout the day. It works by mattifying the skin, making it an excellent choice for those with oily or combination skin. The key benefit of setting powder is its ability to control shine. It's perfect for those who experience midday oil breakouts or live in humid climates. The powder creates a barrier between your skin and the environment, preventing sweat and oil from breaking down your makeup. Additionally, setting powders are great for smoothing out imperfections, blurring pores, and giving the skin an airbrushed effect. However, those with dry skin might want to use it sparingly, as it can sometimes accentuate dry patches or fine lines.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
What is setting spray? Setting spray is a lightweight mist designed to lock your makeup in place and give it a natural dewy finish. Unlike setting powder, which targets oil control, setting spray focuses more on creating a protective barrier that helps makeup adhere to the skin without moving or smudging. It's ideal for all skin types, but particularly useful for dry or normal skin since it adds hydration and doesn't mattify like powder. One of the standout features of setting spray is its versatility. Depending on the formula, some setting spray can help with hydration while others provide a matte finish or a glow-enhancing effect. This makes it easy to find one that aligns with your desired look. Setting sprays are often the last step in a makeup routine, sealing everything for a long-lasting smudge-proof finish. Whether you're looking for a radiant glow or a long-lasting hold during an outdoor event, setting sprays can elevate your makeup game to the next level. How to choose setting powder or setting spray? Choosing between setting powder or setting spray depends on your skin type, the finish you desire, and the occasion. If you have oily or combination skin and want a matte finish that lasts, setting powder is your best friend. It will help control shine throughout the day and keep your makeup looking fresh. On the other hand, if you have dry skin or prefer a more natural dewy look, a setting spray is the way to go. It locks everything in place while adding a refreshing boost of hydration to your complexion. For those who want the best of both worlds, using both setting powder and setting spray together can offer the ultimate combination. First, use setting powder to mattify and blur imperfections, and then finish with a setting spray to seal everything in and give your makeup longevity without sacrificing a fresh look. The occasion matters. It's also important to consider the occasion when deciding between the two. If you're going for an all-day event like a wedding, using both products might be a great idea. On the other hand, for a quick day at the office or a night out, one product might be enough. Setting powder works well for keeping your makeup intact in heat and humidity, while setting spray excels in situations where you want a long-lasting, non-cakey look that feels lightweight. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you decide whether setting powder or setting spray is right for you. Don't forget to like this video, hit subscribe, and ring the bell for more beauty tips and product comparisons. Let me know in the comments which one is your go-to. See you next time.